Play with that slipper. No, get the slipper. You get that slipper. Get it? Good thing them were my old slippers. She'd never be doing that. It's the only one she gets that look, because it's the only one she's allowed to. And she knows. She don't get any other ones. I could watch her for hours, but unfortunately, I gotta get my stuff done. She's a little stinker. I love her. She's got all her toys. Oh, look at she took that off my stand. She's got her toys all over the place. She's got enough of them. She's got all the kids' toys out. Wait, she's really concentrating on this slipper. Alright, well, I'll let her get to it. Love that baby girl.